Your trials are meant to draw you closer to the Almighty. For you to acknowledge His might and prowess. Only He can grant you relief. If they take you away from Him, you've failed the test. It's important to understand His plan so you don't lose out on what's in store for you. The hardest part of life's journey is going through the unfamiliar or unknown, because we don't know what to expect. But when you walk in firm faith, you no longer worry about what will happen down the road. Your heart trusts the Almighty. You know He has it all figured out. Don't despair when you see others receive blessing after blessing and have their prayers answered. Understand that the Almighty has a plan. He will respond when He feels the time is appropriate, when He feels that you're ready to receive what you've been asking for. Social media makes you focus on what others have. You yearn for their lifestyle, their 5-star holidays, palatial homes and perfect families. You are immersed in something that's not yours. Start focusing on what you have. Be grateful. You have a lot to be thankful for. A lot. Never lose hope in His mercy. To do so is an insult to the Almighty. It's also a grave sin. Lay your trust in Him firmly and always do your best in all that you undertake. Everything will work out in the end. It may not be how you planned it, but it's certainly part of His plan. Feeling stuck in life? Do you keep going round in circles? Then you have to stop doing what you're doing and take stock of your life. Reevaluate your priorities and shift your mindset. Only then can you get out of the repetitive rut you're in. Seek your strength from the Almighty. Live your life one day at a time. Do your best and be the best version of yourself. Improving with each passing day. Don't worry about tomorrow, let the Almighty take care of that. Remember, your journey is yours alone. Don't be distracted. Pray for His guidance in all that you do. Sometimes, when you get too comfortable and things are too smooth, the Almighty will shake you out of your comfort zone. Don't be alarmed. Read His signs. If you have a good attitude and bear patience, He will grant you something that's greater than you imagined. Whatever pain you're experiencing today will hold you in good stead tomorrow. The more you suffer today, the stronger you become. This life's not a rosy bed. Tomorrow's success is based on today's discomfort. Patience, a strong willpower and the right attitude will see you through. It's natural to feel tired and discouraged when life deals you a blow. We are generally weak and crumble with the slightest hardship. Always remember that you're not alone. The Almighty will give you strength and power to overcome your difficulties. Trust Him completely. Sensitive towards the feelings of others. Learn to be empathetic and feel for them. Put yourself in their shoes. Try at least. Sometimes it's not what you do or say that is inconsiderate. It is the lack of it that hurts. Reach out to people. Listen more. Don't judge.